Perform 3 sets of each movement for the suggested number of reps, striving to maintain correct form throughout. If your form breaks down, stop. When you are comfortable with the exercises, link them together to create the animal flow experience. Crab reach. From the crab position, press your hips up by pushing through the heels and squeezing your glutes. Extend one arm behind you, keeping it relaxed and framing your head. Then return to the start to complete 1 rep. Loading and unloading beast. Load the beast by assuming a modified child's pose, with knees about an inch off the ground. Hold for 2 to 6 seconds, then unload the beast by shifting your body forward until your shoulders are in front of your wrists. Then return to the start to complete 1 rep. Side traveling ape. In a deep squat, plant your hands on the floor in front of you, with your right hand in front of your left foot. Press your hands into the ground and jump up, traveling to the left. Once your left foot also lands, pull your hands off the floor and sink back into a deep squat. Forward traveling beast. Start in an elevated crawl position known as the beast and step forward, moving opposite hand with opposite foot. Forward traveling crab. Start in the crab position and lift your hips about an inch off the ground. Step forward contralaterally, moving opposite hand and foot. The underswitch. Start in the beast position with knees slightly elevated. Simultaneously lift your left leg and right arm, then rotate your body to the right so your leg travels under your body. Continue to rotate until you are facing up. Lift the same limbs and rotate your body to return to the starting position to complete 1 rep.